Okay guys, we are gonna make some custom By Samii Ryan tie-dye t-shirts. I didn't do my hair today. So I'm gonna show you guys the supplies that we got, and then we are going to dye the shirts. This is the first process. We're gonna dye them and then let them sit in the dye, wash them, and then we're gonna be bringing them to the screen printer within the next couple days, and then we'll finally have an end result. So let's get started. The t-shirts here, we have sizes extra small to extra large. And then I picked up some fuchsia dye. We're gonna be doing like a spiral, but with one color. So I got some rubber bands, some salt to activate the dye so it gives a more vibrant color to the fabric. And then I also ended up getting just a bucket to mix the dye in, and then I'm gonna scoop it up with this guy and then pour it on the shirt. So let's get started. Dampening the shirts and then rolling them up into little spirals. Maybe one on the bottom, see what we got down here. So I took these out after 30 minutes. They're really vibrant. So I basically washed them in cold water, wring them out as much as I can to get all the dye out. Now I'm gonna let them dry and then try to wring them out again. So these are like a pink dye. I wanted them to be a little bit lighter, so I'm actually gonna leave in the dye for like 10 to 15 minutes instead of 30 to see if they come out a little bit more pastel. Here, the teas I just finished. They are all so cute and unique. Like this one's like has more white in it, that one's like a lighter pink, darker pink. Currently soaking some of these just to get the pink dye out, because it's supposed to be like clear the water. So we have a bunch of ring outs to do. The news is that these are all pretty much all run out. There's no more dye in them, so looking pretty good. So the majority of the teas are finished. I'm just like wringing them out and making sure all the dye is out, but I'll show you guys what they all look like. They're all super unique. They all have their own design. I literally hand dyed all of these, washed them all, and then I'm gonna show you guys the print that we're doing on them so I can show you like the whole process behind, you know, making a t-shirt for my line. So these are like an exclusive drop that we're just gonna have on our thesamiiryan.com website. So there'll only be a limited amount of these available, so you can check them out when they're available